Would you believe me if I told you that everything you're seeing on the screen right now, the person, the voice, and even the way I'm moving was completely generated with AI? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create high quality, professional looking videos using nothing but AI. No camera, no studio, no editing softwares needed. You know, as content creators, some days you just don't feel like getting in front of the camera, but you still want to make content that looks absolutely amazing. And with this tool I'm about to show you, you can create high quality videos using ultra realistic avatars, AI generated voiceovers, and even real-time translation, all without even having to leave your chair. The platform that makes all this possible is called Akool. Akool is an AI platform that helps content creators, coaches, educators, and business owners generate high quality content in minutes. It comes packed with tools like face swap, which kind of helps you change faces in photos and videos instantly, and video translation as well, which turns your speech into over 150 different languages while syncing your lips to match. There's also an AI avatar tool, which is what I use to create this video you're watching right now. This tool lets you create an avatar that looks like you, sounds like you, and says whatever you tell it to say just by copying and pasting a script in the prompt box. It's fast, it's easy, and surprisingly realistic as well. Akool also offers live face swap tool, image to video, text to speech, voice cloning, voice changer, streaming avatars, and an AI image generator that turns your text prompts into high quality visuals. Now, if you think this is cool, just hold on, because Akool is rolling out something even way cooler, which is the Akool Live Camera. It is a real-time AI tool that allows you to appear on video during live meetings and conferences or live streams using AI avatars, face swap, and translate your speech. Just imagine showing up to a virtual meeting or conference in your pajamas, but your avatar looks really confident and professional. What's even better is that you can speak in your native language now, and Akool will instantly translate and lip sync your voice into another language live during the meeting or conference. This is perfect for global teams, virtual events, live streaming, e-commerce, and even support calls. It also helps maintain brand consistency using avatar likenesses, protects privacy, and enable full-time avatar for when you're unavailable or off camera. And coming soon, Akool is building real-time video generation tool where all you need to do is describe a scene and the video will generate itself live as you speak. Imagine telling a story and watching the visuals build themselves in real time. That is the future Akool is working
Figure
on.
dashes across the vast plains of a Zelda-inspired landscape. The setting sun bathes the fields in warm amber light until dark storm clouds roll in. Thunder rumbles, lightning splits the sky, and rain begins to fall. As the figure fades into the distance, the wilderness melts away, transforming into a modern city.
So if you want to try it out for yourself, then join the limited beta waitlist now at akool.com/live-camera. I'll leave the link in the description down below, so you'll be among the very first people to experience what comes after webcam. Also, you can use my code influencer20 at checkout on Stripe to get 20% off your first purchase. For this video, we're mainly going to focus on the AI avatar tools, the talking avatar tool to be specific. This is the one that's going to let your avatar speak your script using a realistic voice, your own voice, or one that was generated by AI. Start by going to akool.com or click the link in my description. Once you land on the website, click on the sign up button. You can register using your Google account to save time as well. After you log in, you will see your dashboard where all of the tools are organized into sections. There is the video section, image, voice, and business. You can also click on all tools to see everything at once. For this video, we're mainly going to focus on the talking avatar tool to be specific. This is the one that's going to let your avatar speak your script using a realistic voice, your own voice, or one that was generated by AI. Akool will give you a few options to create your avatar. The first option is you can upload a photo of yourself, and the platform will use that to generate a video for you. And you can also upload a short video of yourself talking, and the platform will use that video to start generating realistic videos for you. Now, if you want the most realistic and lifelike result, you want to upload a video. Just record a short clip of between 5 seconds to 2 minutes of you just speaking natural in front of the camera while looking directly into your camera lens. Make sure you use good lighting to shoot your video, and also shoot it in 1080p resolution. Once your video is ready, upload it and name your avatar and hit submit. It will take a few minutes for this to process, so once it's done, your avatar will be created and you can use it anytime. Just copy and paste a script into the text box and then choose a voice. Now, if you don't like any of the pre-existing voices in Akool, then you can actually clone your voice and use that for your voice avatar. If you uploaded a video and use that to create your avatar, then this is simple because Akool will automatically extract your audio from that video and use it as your AI voice. But if you used a picture to create your avatar, then you need to manually upload an audio of you speaking, and it would use that to create your voice avatar. You can also pick from a library of AI voices on the platform as well. Then you set the tone, whether you want it natural, friendly, exciting, and then preview how it sounds. Then choose the video format or aspect ratio. Choose 16:9 if you're making YouTube videos and 9:16 for TikToks, Reels, and Shorts. You can also use the face swap at this stage if you want to change your avatar's face to someone else's. Then click generate and select your video quality, either 1080p or 4K, and give it a minute for the pieces to come together. Once the video is done processing, you can download the finished video and save it straight into your device. Would you believe me if I told you that everything you see around me is fake? Yes, it is. Now, if you have a global audience and wants to translate your video to other languages, Akool has like a video translator tool that makes this easy. All you need to do is upload your finished video, then choose the language you want to translate the video into. Then Akool is automatically going to convert your voice and sync your lips to match the emotion, so it feels like you're actually speaking fluently in another language. So whether you're creating content for YouTube, TikTok, online courses, brand campaigns, or meetings, Akool has a tool that saves you time and boosts your creativity.